Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Spreading Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about maturation versus experience in development, which is from child development and pedagogy. Now, this is also known as the nature nurture debate. Now we are going to start nature maturation versus experience in development, the nature nurture debate. In developmental psychology's past, extreme positions have been taken on the nature-nurture debate. Arnold Kessel was a strong advocate of the position that the course of our development was largely dictated by genetic factors. Our genetic heritage specifies the set of biological processes which determine the patterns of growth that we observe, which Gesell referred to as maturation. Simply put, maturation is the sequence of growth which is specified and controlled by our genes. Gesell used studies of identical twins to study how experience and maturation lead to development. So, in contrast to Gesell's mensurationist position, John B. Watson in 1928 argued for the dominance of the environment of children's development. Watson believed that genetic factors placed no limits on how environments could shape the course of development. Now, the positions and arguments held by Watson regarding the relative roles of maturation and environment on development are essentially extremist positions which are no longer supported in light of current research on child development. Today, most developmental psychologists recognize that nature and nurture both play an important role in development. Rather than discussing nature versus nurture, we commonly talk about the interaction between nature and nurture. Given the widespread recognition that both nature and nurture play crucial roles in shaping development, the challenge which lies before us is now to examine the interplay between biological and environmental factors, figuring out how they interact to produce developmental change. The interaction between nature and nurture, referred to as epigenesis, has been characterized as being less of an answer to the nature-nurture debate than as a starting point for the study of development. Hellman et al. In 1996 point out that interactionist positions is certainly the correct position to take on the nature-nurture debate. One way we can approach the interaction between nature and nurture is through an examination of the extent to which our biological programming can be altered by environmental influences. The biologist C.H. Waddington in 1975 used the term canalization to refer to his phenomena. In other words, it is genetic influence on a particular development, robust across varied environments, or does it show susceptibility to change? Highly canalized behaviors are relatively unaltered by changes in the environment. For example, the tendency to acquire a language is a highly canalized development in that it occurs across a wide degree of environmental variation. In contrast, Some behaviors are easily modified by environmental factors and are less canalized. Intelligence is a trait which is dramatically altered by environmental variations. Thank you.